Okay.
Again, did the same thing, and so I don't know what I was doing.
Okay, what'd you get for number 7?
It was like, it was a long number. It was like 620, and then it kept going over like.
Comparing dollars to what?
Cans.
Cans. Okay. And what was the dollar amount they gave us?
$5.40.
$5.40. We're trying to make it a unit rate, maybe, which means we want this second term to be 1. Or we want to figure out how much it costs for 1 can. Okay? So I do 540 divided by 24. Do I have to move any decimals anywhere? No, I'm just going to shoot it to the roof. Okay, how many times will 24 go into 54? 2 times. And that gives us 48. What's 14 minus 8?
6.
And how many times will 24 go into 60? Twice. And so we have 48 here. 60 minus 48 is 12. So I'm going to add another 0. And how many times will 24 go into 120? 5 times. And 5. So we're looking at, is everybody good? If you did not get.
Give me a test, I thought. I
No.
only saw a test with it, I thought.
No, there's a sheet like this. But I'll look. So on practice, and these are the questions that are your yes or no answers, right? Yes or no. So 10, it says 8 feet in 15 seconds. So we have to know what we're comparing first. So 8 feet in 15 seconds is the first ratio. The second one is 16 feet in 40 seconds. Okay, there are many ways you can do this. You can simplify to see if they simplify to the same thing, right? What else can I do? Yes?
The little butterfly.
You can cross multiply to see if they equal the same thing, okay? Looking at these 2 ratios, I'm probably going to simplify because I know my facts for 8 and 15. Do 8 and 15 share any factor besides 1? Is 2 a factor of both of these? No. No. Is 3? No. Is 4? No. Is 5? No. So 8's not either. Okay, so let's simplify this. What can I simplify 16 and 40 by anything?
You can do it by 4.
You can do 2, you can do 4, either, okay? So let's do 2, because we know 16 divided by 2 is what? 8. What's 40 divided by 2? 20. Is 8 to 15 the same as 8 to 20? No. Oops, that's ugly. But no is the answer. Okay, hold on just a second. So number 10, the second half, the 5.2 practice A. Number 10? Yes, ma'am. Mariana.
On practice B, can you do 9?
Number 9, okay. Number 9 on practice B, the top part. What 2 things are we comparing? Meters and seconds. And how many meters does right? So what do we want this term to be?
1.
A 1. So we're dividing both parts by 27. Okay. So I'm going to put 50 inside, 27, and well, before I move it here. If the decimal's out of sight, it goes on the right. And so I've got to move it one more time and shoot it to the roof like that. Okay? How many times? Wait. Okay. How many times will 275 go into 500? This is 7. 1 time. Okay, when we borrow, 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 7 is 2. And 4 minus 2 is, okay. So I added 0. Oh, I didn't put that up here, did I? Yeah, just couldn't remember. 175 go into, yes, 17. Let me go back. Okay, so 17, bottom part, they're wanting to. It's out. Not necessarily because it's odd. How do we know if 3 goes into a number?
Because if you know our facts, 3 can go into 36 12.
I'm not asking about that.
Oh,
I'm
my
asking
bad.
about
Go ahead, go
26
ahead.
and 110.
Because
How do we know if 3 goes into a number?
if you
Divide
divide
Nope.
the amount at
Well,
the end,
61.
Nope.
If it has
It's
two,
either-
should be in our-
if it's even.
Should be in your notes because it's a divisibility rule.
what's notes?
Your bond.
Okay, well, I know how to do this, so if I were you, I would divide both of those by 9. I mean, by 3.
I did, but then it kept going and going and going and going, and
No.
I said
I
divide
know
by
it wasn't right.
What'd you divide by?
3.
Okay. Well, 3 will go into, if you divide by 3, 3 will go into 26 8 times, and 3 will go into 21 7 times.
Oh, I did that way wrong.
No.
What's 6 minus? Never mind.
Okay. Now I have 8 and 7/10 and 1 and 2/10. Both of those are divisible by what number?
3.
Okay. How many? So I'm going to divide both of these by 3 again. 3 goes into 8 2 times. 3 goes into 27 9 times. 3 goes into 12 4 times. Can I simplify that any further?
Wait.
Nope.
So I was
Marcus, just give me that went with this.
Oh, no.
Here's all the papers.
It's okay.
I divided 10.8 by 6.
So you don't, you're just going to work on it. You're just set, today, solving. What I want you to write